Most women have lived their lives thinking diet, exercise, and tons of sit-ups are the only way to a flat stomach. Well, technology has come a long way, baby. There is an aesthetic treatment that's yielding dramatic results for just about every body shape and size. And Dr. Ann Stubbs is here to tell us all about it. Good to see you, Dr. Ann.
Thanks for having me.
All right, this name is becoming more and more popular, Thermismooth. So first of all, what is it?
Thermismooth is a radio frequency, so it's heating the skin up. So we've always heated the skin in the past with lasers that tend to ablate the skin or cause some redness or some downtime. And radio frequency is a different energy that heats the skin and causes tightening and actually sometimes some smoothing and loss of fat in some areas too.
I was going to say the benefits are more than just what it can do to the fat cells, though. It affects kind of the skin's texture, right?
Exactly. It delivers heat into the skin, and we've long known that heat delivered to the skin can cause some tightening. It can shrink pores, it can shrink tissue, and like I said, we've done this with lasers through the years, and now radio frequency is kind of on the forefront where we heat up the skin slowly and comfortably. That's the other key phrase there, is a lot of times things like this hurt, and Thermismooth is very comfortable. In fact, a lot of patients fall asleep during the treatment.
Hey, that sounds pretty good, right?
Yes. And I always say almost everything we do causes a little bit of pain, and Thermismooth is the only thing that does not. So we like it in our office.
All right, so as we talk about the belly, we're going to look at some before and after photos to really tell the story and tell us kind of what it takes, how many treatments it takes for these folks to see results.
These results you're seeing right here after 4 treatments. We do 1 treatment a week for a series of 4 of them. So patients come in and it's about an hour in the office, and we heat up that whole area. As you can see from the side view here, she's not only tightened the skin, she's actually lost some volume in the front. So the tummy's much flatter, but the skin tends to tighten up so people feel better in clothes, and then they feel better in bathing suits too if they don't like that crepey skin that we are left with sometimes after pregnancies or just with age.
And so how long are these results lasting? Because these results are pretty dramatic.
And this is nothing invasive, no surgery. These are results that we've seen them last about a year, and people tend to say at around a year they want another treatment just to get a little more tightening. They don't tend to get the inches back, but the skin does tend to continue to age. We do continue to lose collagen year over year, so we usually have people back at a year just for another kind of treatment for maintenance.
Okay, all right. People want this treatment in other places, which is not hard to believe. But the knees and the neck, you say, are also getting pretty popular.
Yes, and I think we all know that every woman hates her neck, but knees have become something that, you know, people notice those creases right above the knees. In the picture on the left, you see where there's some pink marking on her legs. We treated from that pink line downward to the kneecap, and you can see after 4 treatments that not only are the creases above the knee better, but her legs almost look a little slimmer too. It tends to be slimming. Usually we don't see inches, but we see maybe centimeters of slimming in that area, and that's really, really profound for people who want to wear their skirts and dresses.
Right, when everything feels better, you're going to feel better wearing it, right?
Exactly.
Isn't it about that?
Exactly.
And then the neck here, I mean, just you can tell, you can see the smoothness.
Right, and the neck skin tends to get more lax as we age. We tend to get some of that crepey skin. It tends to lose a little bit of its tenacity there, and so we get some tightening, and also just a little bit of the fat that can accumulate right under the chin can be minimized with the treatment as well.
Now, is there anywhere you can't use Thermismooth on the body?
Actually, the only place we cannot use it is within the orbital rim. We do around the eyes, but we pull the skin down outside of the rim, of the bony rim around the eyes, just because we want to keep that radio frequency out from around the globe or the eyeball there. So we don't use it there, but really everywhere else, if people have some crepey skin, we've done calves, we've done knees, arms are very big, and I think maybe belly, love handles area are probably the most sought after. And it's wonderful on bra fat too. When people have that kind of, they wear a camisole or a bra and they feel like they can see a ridge on their back or even in the front area here, it tightens that area very well.
Now that people obviously are excited, want to get started, what's your offer you have today, Dr. Ann?
We are doing 20% off of all Thermi packages. So always we do a complimentary consultation. We really truly believe that people need to come in, talk with us about what their goals are and what their needs are, what they like and don't like, and then we can put together a good treatment plan. So we always offer that complimentary just to make sure everybody knows all the things that are available to them and we can choose the best options.
All right, Dr. Ann, thanks again for being with us.
Thanks for having me.